everybody, I'm going to show you how to get a tire off redneck style. Now this is obviously an old tire, useless, so first step, pop the tire. Got it popped. Probably should have aired it out a little bit, that was kind of an extreme pop. But anyways, next step, cut the tire. Careful you don't hit your rim, good. Alright, so I'm going to make a cut further away from the other one, about like 12 inches, so you can get a dremel in here and cut the bead steel. So, and also if you look there, I kind of had to work the saw, so just be aware of that. And obviously if you're doing this on slim tires, you want to adjust the deck of the skill saw, but I got plenty of clearance between the blade and the rim, so I'm good there. So anyways, just continue. Okay. Now for this, you can't really see it, but I'm just going to use the skill saw to cut out the joining section. Okay, so I cut this out of the tire. Now, proceeding on to the next step. So, part's actually the most difficult part. I'm filming this right now. So, you're going to get a screwdriver in between the rim and the bead. So that way we're going to take a dremel to it, and basically you just want to make sure like you don't hurt that. You know what I could have done before I popped this is hit it real good. I'm actually just going to do that now. Really. So you're actually going to use a hammer for this part too. Alright. So I'll just show you what's going on here. So, get it here in the light. So I just put the screwdriver in between the rim and the tire. You really don't have to get the screwdriver, the flathead, it's actually a flathead through there all the way. That's actually really difficult to do. So I kind of just get on there so that way, I'm not going to hit the rim with the dremel. So I'm basically just going to hit the dremel. And you want to go like right there. You don't need to dremel all of this because you can actually just rip that once you cut through the steel band. So I'll go ahead and just do that here to show you. Set the phone down. I'm gonna go dark for a second here. You hear that? It's hitting the steel bead in there. Boom, that you hear I don't know if you heard that pop. That was the steel bead breaking. So you see that? Like I only cut like where. I only cut. Let me get it in the sunlight here. I only cut where the steel bead is. I don't know a whole lot about tires, but I'm assuming. Well, actually, I mean I know a fair amount, and usually sidewalls, unless if they're trailer tires, they don't have metal weaving in it. And where the bead is, you have a steel band. And that's all you really want to cut with the Dremel. You don't want to waste your Dremel bit just cutting through all of it. Because look at this. Like, I'll try to just do this with my hand. Actually, you can just get the screwdriver in there and just literally just, you can just rip that. So you can just rip that off and do the same thing for the other side, and boom, your tire's off. And also, I'll just show you one thing. Like when you get the tire off, you want to make sure that you don't tip it over and just, you want to dump it in the trash can. Cause there's kind of like a lot of crap that comes out of it, and you just would rather get that in trash can. So that's basically it right there. That's like probably about as redneck as you can get taking a tire off. So I hope you enjoyed that. Have a good day.